While temporary stories exist on other platforms, with Snapchat groups, you can be sure that your messages and photos are only shown to a handful of group members before they're automatically deleted after 24 hours. They can be a bit tricky to manage though. If you're just starting out on Snapchat and you want to know how groups work, here's how they're used. To start, you'll need to get to the group you want to manage. Just tap on the chats icon in the bottom left to bring up your chat list, then find and tap on the group you want to manage. From here, tap on the group icon in the top left to open your group's menu. To add members, tap on Add Members on the menu that pops up. You'll be shown a list of your contacts on Snapchat. From here, just search and tap on the contacts you want to add to the group and tap on Done. Anyone in the group can choose to add people to the chat, though groups currently have a maximum size of 64 people. Be careful who you add to your groups though. As of the time of making this video, Snapchat does not have an easy way for users to remove other users from a group, even if you're the one who created it. The only way for a person to be removed from the group is for them to leave of their own accord by tapping on Leave Group from the group chat settings menu. If you've got a troublesome member who won't leave, you have two options. The easiest thing to do is to just form a new group without the person, then leave the old group. If you want to keep the group you've created, you can get everyone in the group to block the member by going to the group menu, then tapping and holding on the member's name on the list, selecting More, then tapping on Block. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.